Deep within the tranquil lakes and ponds of northern India lies a hidden treasure, small, unassuming seeds that have been cherished for centuries. These are foxnuts. Recognized for cooling properties and health benefits in ancient Ayurveda, foxnuts have been cultivated for over 3,000 years, particularly in India, China, and Japan. Foxnuts, also known as makhana or lotus seeds, are a nutritious snack derived from the seeds of the Uriel ferox plant. In Western countries, they are also referred to as gorgon nuts. They are low in calories, fat, and sodium, making them an excellent snack for weight management. Foxnuts are packed with protein, carbohydrates, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. They are rich in antioxidants, which help slow aging and fight inflammation. Their low glycemic index makes them a healthy option for people with diabetes, while their high calcium content supports bone health. India is the world's largest producer and exporter of foxnuts, contributing approximately 70 to 80% of the global supply. In the fiscal year 2023 to 2024, India exported around 25,130 metric tons of foxnuts. The major importers of Indian foxnuts include the United States, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, and the United Arab Emirates. Bihar, a state in northern India, is the leading producer, accounting for more than 80% of the country's total production. The districts of Madhubani, Darbhanga, and Sitamarhi are particularly known for their extensive foxnut cultivation. The global demand for foxnuts is rising due to their health benefits and versatility in culinary applications. They are used in traditional Indian sweets and savories, as well as in modern snacks, cereals, and energy bars. With the increasing focus on healthy eating, foxnuts have gained popularity in international markets as a superfood. Exports the best quality foxnuts with Inductus Global, India's leading sourcing house, offering end-to-end solutions encompassing product sourcing, quality assurance, packaging management, and logistics. With a legacy of 2 decades, we ensure premium quality and seamless export operations. Contact us to source premium quality foxnuts and other Indian products.